So this is a Price is Right parody. It did 1.2 million views and 167,000 shares. This reel changed my Instagram. Brief history, I've had my Instagram for about 12 years. It took me 12 years to get to 20,000 followers, and in the past month, I more than doubled that to 52,000 as of this morning. All that was because of the AI comedy videos. Before, my content was just my own personal car stuff, or just making memes. And they were low effort. I would find a meme every day on Instagram and I would repurpose that for the car community. But the problem is they weren't converting to follows. I was only getting 10, 20 maybe followers per day. So the comedy was working, but I didn't create a lot of value for people to come back and be like, oh, I want to follow this guy, I want to see what he's making. They're just like, oh, this is funny, and then go on with their day. About a month ago, I realized I needed to make more original content. It's something I actually created from scratch versus just taking a meme, changing the text, changing the image, and then shipping it. I started using ChatGPT to create images, and I started with the Corvette meme, and I threw a twist on it, and I did a dinosaur theme. And it was a hit. So that's when I decided, why not just jump into this whole full AI video. My very first video was of the head of Porsche's GT department, mockumentary interview style. It got 30,000 views. It was very niche, very Porsche. I felt like I needed to make something more mainstream. I needed to come up with a stereotype owner and car that everyone understands. And that's where I thought of Edgar. Everyone knows Edgar. Everyone's got that neighbor, that friend guy down the street that drives that Fox Infinity with that haircut, and it's just hilarious. It was only 16 seconds long, and it took a full day to make. Whether that's worth it or not, it's up to you to decide, but I think it was worth it. After I posted that video, you really don't see metrics until after about 2 hours. I was refreshing constantly my feed, and it was going 5,000, 10,000, 20,000. Holy crap, it's snowballing. The comments were rolling in. Oh, you need to do this car, you need to do that car. Oh, that looks like my neighbor. This is what we have AI for. 99.9% positivity on the comments. I was seeing, I think, like 10,000 shares, and I did gain close to 900 followers. That's the most I've ever gained from any single video. That's when I immediately worked on the next one, which is another Price is Right that released 2 days later with the Civic stereotype. And then the Subaru Forester did 1.3 million views, and that's just insane. That's where I found my niche. Something that you can make fun of in the car scene, something stereotypical in a car that's broadly known that everyone understands. That's when I realized this is all just a numbers game. You need to find a topic that everyone can relate to, not just the car community. I was making money on Instagram, but not much, 100, 200 bucks a month. Pretty good for just having fun, but it's nowhere near life-changing. After posting all these videos for the past month, I've had brands come up and they're like, can you make me this video? And I've actually made content for people so far, and I've made money on it. I mean, this is exactly what I want to do. This is so much fun, and you can get paid for it. So that brings me to the topic of what this channel is for. I've always made original car content, but I realized the content that I made, anyone can make. I feel like that's kind of a disservice to the car community because there are tons of other people that can do that better. What I excel at is storytelling, using my technical and design background to make high quality videos for everyone to enjoy. I'm not trying to teach you how to make AI content. There are other channels out there that have done a great job at that. This channel is going to be my journey and how I'm creating an automotive car comedy brand. I'm going to try to put out a video every week, and it's going to be more focused. This one was just a general introduction. The next video is going to be about a deep dive into the Edgar Price is Right video, how I came up with the idea, how I got the inspiration, and how well it did, what I could change about the video to make it better, with a focus on the analytics and how it was received. So if you like that idea, please subscribe. Thanks again. See you later.